So let us sing this poem. Eating good food, eating healthy, choosing healthy, mama's duty. Eating good food, eating healthy, choosing healthy, mama's duty. Fruits, veggies, grains and milk, cereals and ghee, leaves and pulses. Say yes, ma, I love them all. Say yes, ma, I love them all. Sure, you will be mom's little darling. Laddu, jalebi, burger. Laddu, jalebi, burger, pickles, creamy pastries, cakes and noodles. Say no to junk food forever and be mama's wisest kid. And be mama's wisest kid. Do practice at home this little poem. Student, listen carefully. I am going to explain you about this lesson, food habits. So listen carefully. It was the last day of the 3-day summer camp conducted for the students of class 4th, and children enjoyed this camp so much after working and playing together. And it was a time to distribute the prizes for the competitions held during the camp days. And their headmaster was distributing the prizes. And finally, their class teacher made a special announcement that I'm happy to announce that Sonu is selected as the best camper. All the children applauded and cheered up Sonu, Sonu, Sonu. But Vishal was confused. He asked the teacher who becomes the best camper. The teacher replied, "Dear children, your teachers have been observing you all since the first day of the camp. They have found all of you as obedient and disciplined children, but Sonu has some unique qualities. He is distinct from others. He is gentle and smart, as we know. But what are his special food habits? Do you remember your own food habits? Do you know, students, why Sonu is different from other students? Because he always waited for all the students to take food, and he took special care not to spill food. And third, he never take too much food. And he always eat fresh and healthy food. Never eat junk food. I hope you also understood this and follow these instructions as Sonu did. Once Gandhiji said, "There are many people in the world so hungry that God cannot appear to them except in the form of bread." She continued, "Yes, children, we must treat food with utmost respect. It is a God given gift." We were not aware of that. We will not waste food anymore, as children said in one voice. Here now, teacher congratulated Sonu for his good food habits, and children gave a huge round of applause in appreciation. So, students, fruits and vegetables keep you healthy and energetic. So, all of you must take enough fruits and vegetables and never eat junk food, and never, most important, never waste food. Now come to the page number 23, exercise part. First we will do question answers part. Question number 1, why was Sonu selected as the best camper? He was selected as the best camper because he had some unique qualities that made him distinct from other students. because he had some unique qualities that made him distinct. Question 2. Write any 3 healthy food habits. First one, you must take enough fruits and vegetables. Do not make noise when you chew food. Do not waste food. Take only as much as you can eat. You must take enough fruits and vegetables. Do not make noise when you chew food. Do not waste food. Take only as much as you can eat. Now, true false. First one is Vishal was selected as the best camper. No. Sonu was selected as the best camper. Question 2. We should not spill our food while eating. Yes, we should not. It's true. Question 3. We must treat food with utmost respect. Yes, true. We should not sit straight while eating. False. We should sit straight while eating. Question 5. Fruits and vegetables keep you healthy. Yes, it's true. Once again, Vishal was selected as the best camper. False. Second, we should not spill our food while eating. True. We must treat food with utmost respect. True. We should not sit straight while eating. False. Fruits and vegetables keep you healthy. True. Now come to page number 24. Fill in the blanks. Let us complete. First one is, it was a dash day of the summer camp for the students of class 4. The answer is last. It was the last day of the summer camp for the students of class 4. Second, never make dash while chewing food. Noise. Never make noise while chewing food. Third, we should never dash food items. We should never waste food items. Fourth, we need all kinds of food for our proper dash. We need all kinds of food for our proper growth. Fifth one is fruits, vegetables, cereals, milk and egg together make a dash diet. Fruits, vegetables, cereals, milk and egg together make a balanced diet. Let us pray. Bless us, O Lord, and the food you have offered us today. Bless my mother and all those who worked hard to prepare it. Bless us, O Lord, and the food you have offered us today. Bless my mother and all those who have worked hard to prepare it. Students, these fill in the blanks. And question answers part and true false. Do in your copies and write on the top revision work. And you have to do this work 2 times. Properly, neat and clean. Thank you everyone. Keep learning. Stay safe at home.